The quickest way to lose belly fat is to reduce the consumption of some carbs. For many people, doing this is not easy. Because it means to leave aside breads, cakes, cookies, soda, and candies. But if you avoid these foods, at least during the week, it will help a lot. Over the days, you will start to notice the difference in your belly. And of course, the right way to do this is to replace these kinds of foods with others. Otherwise, you will going to feel hunger very soon, and you'll want to eat lots of carbs. Which is exactly what you should avoid in the first place. The best replacements for carbs are good fats and protein. Some examples are eggs, nuts, chicken, avocado, cheese, and fish. Practicing some physical exercise also helps to accelerate the process, although it is not necessary to lose belly fat. Doing exercise is always a great way to stay healthy and keep the body in shape. And if you want to go further, to have that amazing sexy body that will attract many looks, access the link in the description, right below this video. If you liked this video, click on like below, and subscribe to the channel. Good luck.